Hello, hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself first. My name is Izzuddin Al-Qasam, and last two digits of my student's ID is 42, and I'm currently third year computer science student at Universitas Sultan Agung Tirtayasa. Today, I want to talk about something we all use every day, our speaking skills. In this era of globalization, the world feels smaller than ever. We meet people from different countries, backgrounds, and perspectives almost every day, sometimes in real life, sometimes through a screen. And in moments like this, our ability to speak clearly becomes more than just a basic skill. It becomes a bridge that connects ideas, builds opportunities, and help us understand others beyond borders. Speaking skill is just about perfect grammar or fancy vocabulary. It's about expressing yourself with confidence, telling your stories, and letting people see who you are. Whether you're present in class, interviewing for a job, or simply making new friends, speaking well can open doors you didn't even know exist. But this the interesting part. We are no longer alone in learning how to speak better. AI technology, yeah, the same kind of AI that chats with you, gives feedback, or even corrects your pronunciation, has become a silent coach in our pocket. With AI, we can practice anytime, anywhere, without fear of judgment. It helps us rehearse speech, improve our vocabulary, and even analyze how natural we sound. In a way, AI is like a mirror that reflects our voice back to us, helping us grow. However, the most important thing still comes from with the courage to speak up. AI can guide us, but we're the ones who have to take a step, speak, connect, and communicate. So, in this global era, let's sharpen our speaking skills, not just impress others, but to express ourselves. And let's use AI not as a replacement for human connection, but as tool that helps us speak with a little more clarity and a lot more confidence. Thank you.